This video walks you through the steps involved in configuring the Property Miner Usage Category Master Data template in the Property Tax module. Usage Category Miner is nothing but a further classification of usage category majors, which can be explained as a broad diversification of the usage of the property. This broad diversification is ideally used to classify the tax amount to which a property could be exempted from. So, a non-residential category can be further classified as industrial or commercial. Download the data template to configure the usage category major master's data. As we can see here, the template contains 8 data columns. Provide a unique code for each type of property usage in the usage category miner code data column. Now, enter the usage category miner description in English. Enter the local language description for the usage category miner. Enter the applicable exemption rate for the listed category in percentage. Enter the maximum exemption amount. Enter the flat exemption amount. And finally, map the usage category miner to the appropriate major category. Update the information for each column. Some columns marked with a star are mandatory. Please make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know specific requirements of the individual column, please refer to the data definition table for usage category miner. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the configuration of usage category miner. Thank you.